All right, back with another Biggun Breaks. This is our third box of regular retail 2021 Chrome Tops. Some of the old stuff. Some oldies but goodies. See if we can pull us some hidden gems from the 2021s. Had some decent cards from it, but nothing spectacular. Maybe we'll get us something special in this last box. I got 3 of these boxes from a guy on eBay, and I think they were about like 17 bucks a box or so. Not too bad. Jesus Sanchez rookie card. Charlie Blackmon. White man, black man, yellow man. Break the system. Anderson Tejeda. Nice rookie card refractor thing. Shortstop. And we got us a... You know this was 2021 when they're wearing masks out in the field. Yeah. Didi Gregorius. Looks like they're playing the Braves in that one. He's getting a crotch shot. That whole pack was pretty decent. Don't come across many like that. Oh, Juan Soto. Nice. Juan Soto. Old School Nationals. Old school card. Sorry, I saw his name, and even though he was on the back, I got to pull his out first. I saw his name. Anthony Rendon, third base. Dylan Carlson, rookie card. And we got Christian Yelich. Crazy they had them wearing masks out on the field back then. Thanks a lot, COVID, for ruining everything. Gio Urshela, third base. Sonny Gray. Jazz Chisholm rookie card. That's a good one there. Look at that. Good pack here. Good pack here. And we got Nelson Cruz, the black refractor. Oh, this is probably the best box out of the 3 that I got so far. Yeah, DJ Maniu. Jake Arrieta. Deivi Garcia rookie card. And then we got us a Brusdar Guerrero. He's voguing. I do like these Future Star cards. Oh, did he do any good? He was a pitcher. I'm not too familiar with his name. With the Dodgers. Let's see. Nate Pearson, rookie. Michael Conforto. Matt Chapman. And then Joey Votto. League leader. Man, he's got a lot of league leaders with the Reds from 07. It's a good one. Tim Anderson. Charlie Morton, the Braves. Anthony Rendon, Prismic Power. I do like these Prismic Power cards. Pretty shiny and nifty. There are home run hitters, and there are hitters who hit home runs. Count Rendon among the best of the latter breed. He's long deployed his pure stroke as a prolific source of doubles. His 256 of them since 2013 debut are fifth most in the majors. Anthony gradually has evolved. Moreover, fence power, however, as his 34 homer season of 2019 attests. And we got us a Brady Singer rookie card, 35th anniversary. Very nice. Only if all of the retail boxes were this good. Yeah, after I bought this, I went back to buy another 3-pack from the guy, and like he went from the 3-pack being like $55 to wanting like $170 for him. So I don't know what happened there, but he ain't gonna get it. Alejandro Kirk rookie card. Garrett Crochet rookie. Buster Posey. We got us another black. Oh, Shohei Ohtani. That's got to be worth something. Black refractor. 159. That was his 4th year with the Angels. Nice. I haven't gotten many Shoheis on these boxes. So yeah. Put it in wax. It's the new style. Luke Voigt. Yasmani Grandal. Pete Alonso. And then we got another Javier Baez. Another purple nurple reflector. Whatever they want to call this one. We got leader in RBIs in 2018. That's about it. Come on, Javier. Do you deserve the purple, sir? Purple, pink, whatever they want to call it. So, yeah. Some good hits on this box. I got to say, this is the best retail box I think I've gotten. Especially with Chrome. So, thanks for watching Biggun Breaks. Y'all have a good one, and stay tuned for more of me wasting my money on cards. Thank you.